Hello everyone. Today we are going to revise about types of farming. So first type of farming is subsistence farming. Subsistence farming, this type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of farmers' family. Traditionally, low level of technology and household labor are used to produce on small output. Subsistence farming can be further classified into two groups. First one, intensive subsistence farming, and another one is primitive subsistence farming. First, we are going to know about intensive subsistence farming. It is a type of farming in which farmer cultivates a small plot of land. He uses simple tools and more labor. Basically, family of farmer is involved in agriculture. Per capita income is very small. Climate with large number of days with sunshine and fertile soils permit growing of more than one crop. In 1 year, farmer grow 2 or 3 crops on the same plot. In subsistence type of farming, rice is the main crop. Other crops include wheat, maize, pulses, and oilseeds. Intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in densely populated area. We can also say thickly populated area where population is more. Now, next one is primitive subsistence agriculture. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the thickly forested area. We can take example of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast India. These are the area of heavy rainfall and quick regeneration of vegetation. Shifting cultivation. In shifting cultivation, a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and it makes the soil fertile. Crops like maize, yam, potatoes, cassava, these are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Shifting cultivation is also called slash and burn agriculture, remember. Next one is nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some part of India. We can take example of Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Herdsmen move from one place to another in search of fodder and water. This type of movement arises in response to climatic change. In winter and in summer, basically they move from higher area to lower area in plain area, and again in summer they move towards higher altitude. Sheep, camel, yak, goat, these are mostly reared by them. They provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herders and their families. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep learning.